Hey guys, this is Pawan Parihar, a YouTuber, and I love to ride my bike on the Himalayas.
Hi, I'm Urmi. I earn so that I can travel the world.
I love to talk about heritage of Indian tourism.
And I love to discover offbeat destinations.
My dream destination is the Aurora Borealis at Iceland.
We cannot imagine a world without travel. And that's because we all have an irreplaceable urge to travel and explore new destinations, gain new experiences, meet new people. We want to do all this, not just on weekends, but as often as possible.
Hi, I'm Saurav, founder and CEO at Travel Buddy. Remember the last time you were planning to travel and no one in your friend circle had the same plans on same dates? Ever wish you could connect to like-minded travelers and plan that perfect trip? Ever wish to connect with locals before going to a new destination? If these are challenges you have faced whenever you have planned to travel, then we have the solution, and it's called Travel Buddy.
Hi, I am Vijay, co-founder and CTO of Travel Buddy. Let me deep dive into how we are helping travelers and travel providers. Travel Buddy works on intelligent algorithm to match travelers based on locations, interest and demographic data. These personalized results will appear in their social feeds so that they can decide better to whom they want to travel with, and they can plan their trip in a better manner.
Now let's understand a bit about the market size that we are talking about here. Our TAM, or total addressable market, is the leisure travel industry, which is valued at $4.75 trillion. Our SAM, or the serviceable available market, is the youth tourism market, which is valued at $400 billion, which typically comprises of backpackers, solo travelers and experience seekers. What I want to talk about most importantly is the SOM, the serviceable obtainable market. For this, we will look at the 350 million young travelers globally who contribute to the $400 billion spent on this sub-vertical. Taking our current user to subscription conversion rate, we estimate a total revenue opportunity of $110 million for Travel Buddy. Youth travel has become one of the fastest growing categories, with young travelers contributing to 23% of the international travelers. In a post-COVID world, these young travelers will take drivable destinations or weekend getaways, and that creates even greater need to reach out to a local before traveling to the destination. Research done by Google also proves that there are 8x more searches for experiences compared to air and hotel searches. 52% of these travelers, when they were surveyed, said that they will love to connect to a local before going to a new destination.
Imagine someone is looking to go on a vacation. Imagining yourself, are you? Well, mountains, beaches, it's always a tough call. So with a motive and no plan whatsoever, you come across Travel Buddy. The first thing that catches your attention is the home feed. As you continue to scroll, we show you stories as per your behavior and usage, constantly feeding you content that you like to see and inspiring you to pick your next travel destination. And when you travel, you can post your stories on the feed for others to see and inspire someone else, creating a whole chain where people drive each other to travel more and more. Next is our hero feature, Find a Buddy. You can now find a travel buddy for an upcoming trip. Just put in the destination, date of journey, and we will connect you with the travelers. It's super easy. Click on Find Buddy, post your query, and voila, you can see all the travelers going to the same destination. Choose a like-minded buddy, chat with them, plan a trip, meet and share stories. And our third most important feature is Ask. We provide you a platform where you can connect with travelers who have visited the specific destination and are also willing to guide you through the place so you can plan your experience as well. You can sit in the comfort of your home and check with the local about your upcoming destination. The way it works is, ask query in the platform. You will find travelers from your location who will answer your questions. Also, you can check with verified travelers about your destination and chat with the local. So, if you are someone who has a motive to travel and zero planning and friends who will most positively ditch you at the last moment, Travel Buddy is here for the rescue.
Our business model is a subscription-based model, which we call as Verified Traveler. We have 3 pricing tiers. 1 month, 6 months and 1 year. By using the Verified Traveler subscription, traveler and travel providers are able to get added benefits over and above the free offerings. Travelers can use the advanced filters to search for their choice of travel buddy. They can express unlimited interest to upcoming traveler trips and itineraries. They can also get notified about travelers looking for buddies, and that too destination wise. They can get to know who saw their profile by unlocking profile views. For our travel providers, they can showcase their travel services to travelers who enter their city. And most importantly, travelers and travel providers can chat unlimited with anyone on the app. These added benefits help travelers to connect to buddies faster and travel providers to get business leads. Connecting to travelers was never this easy.
Our efforts are directed to keep our audience engaged offline and online, and so far our numbers looks promising at a bootstrap level. We have 500,000 users of the app globally, 61% from India and 39% from rest of the world. We have 75,000 monthly active users, 25,000 weekly active users and 4,000 to 5,000 daily active users. We are a revenue generating app with 3,000 paid subscribers with 25% repeat rate and an average revenue per user of $9.2.
We look back now and see how far we have come. But it's not about how far we have come, it's more important how far we are planning to go. With that thought in mind, we present to you our product roadmap for the next 12 months. In early January, we started working on Find a Buddy Flow and also launched iOS and PWA versions to make it a truly cross-platform product. We are now working on Find Travel Provider Flow, which will enable travelers to find relevant travel providers who can generate leads and increase their business. In the second half of the year, we will work on a badging system for travelers and enable group chat on the app. We also plan to launch itineraries, a booking model where travelers can book itineraries with locals.
Currently, we are working with a handful of handpicked people who are not only great at what they do, but they also add value to the product on a regular basis. And we are talking about experienced professionals from their field of work. 18 years, 20 years of experience in industry giants like Facebook and Genpact, now pouring it all in one vessel called Travel Buddy, manifolding the possibilities and the outlook of Travel Buddy multiple times.
Our team is planning to change how the world travels through Travel Buddy. That includes everything
from empowering the local itinerary that exists amongst all of us,
to explore every city's hidden treasure and put it on the tourist map of the world,
and to encourage more and more women to take up traveling as a passion.
There are 5 stages of travel: dream, plan, book, explore and share. Travel Buddy aims to be on every device at every stage of a traveler's journey. From getting inspired to travel by looking at other travelers' posts, to actually planning that perfect outstation trip with a perfect trip partner, to booking a homestay with a local, or to explore a new destination with a travel buddy, or to share all that beautiful journey with the world and then repeat it again and again and again. That's what we are talking about. Travel Buddy aspires to be a global marketplace for travelers and travel providers alike. We really look forward to your support as we embark on this beautiful journey. Thank you so much.